morning, everybody. Hope y'all are doing well. Today, I want to welcome you to the channel, and hope y'all had a Merry Christmas and are having a happy holiday season and all that fun stuff. Today, I don't know if you can see it. It's a little bit chillier here. I think last week we set a record at like 77 maybe, 72, I don't know, 70s the last week, and now it's high at 34, so I think winter's finally hitting, which is nice. I'm ready for some cold weather. Yeah, it doesn't feel right if you don't have cold weather in December, right? So it is the week between Christmas and New Year's. Today I'm going to clean up some more brush. Use use that bad boy. Yesterday I greased it up and power washed it and cleaned it up a little bit, and so I need to go throw the bucket and the trash can ballast on. But I also today I rented a Home Depot dump trailer, so I'm gonna try my hand at that. Hopefully it's gonna be a good rental. But I'm basically just gonna dump a bunch of brush and stuff in and go take it to a local old place. I pay a few bucks and I dump it there and then open it up and sell it. So pretty good deal. But yeah, I'll see you here in a bit. Alright, I've got the force and the bucket on right now. The axle's not happy about it. But I don't know, I'm gonna need both to do the loading, so I'm gonna take them both down the hill and drop them off. time to go unload this bad boy. Got at least one, if not two more loads of this just for that pile. So kind of my goal for today is to get that pile gone. But yeah, I'll catch you later.